Load your family into the 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, high-intensity discharge headlights, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and leather upholstery. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.